Bird flu, specifically the H5N1 strain, is back in the spotlight after a tragic case in Nevada where a person died from the virus. This marks a rare but serious instance of human infection linked to exposure to infected poultry. H5N1 is highly contagious among birds and has caused massive outbreaks in both wild birds and poultry farms worldwide. While human cases are still uncommon, they can be severe, with a high mortality rate when they do occur. Health officials are urging caution, especially for farmers, veterinarians, and anyone working closely with birds, emphasizing the importance of protective gear and biosecurity measures to prevent spread. So, what's next? Based on current trends, bird flu is likely to continue spreading among bird populations, especially as wild birds migrate and spread the virus across regions. While the risk to humans remains low for now, experts warn that the virus could mutate, potentially making it easier to transmit between people. This is why monitoring and containing outbreaks in animals is crucial to prevent a larger public health crisis. Stay informed, practice good hygiene if you're around birds, and keep an eye on updates from health officials. Let's hope for the best, but prepare for the unexpected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. With other words, no cheaper eggs anytime soon. Quite the opposite, prices will go up even more. So people forget Bitcoin, invest in eggs. Please help a small channel grow. Like and subscribe.